Hey everyone, I'm Uzair from ways2sellonline.com and I'm here to help you out to sell your products online effectively and successfully. So, if you are an online seller, so you must need to know that after product research, the main part of that business is product sourcing. That from where you are sourcing your products and at what quality and at what price. Because if you don't source your product at best quality and best price, then you might not get good reviews and good profit. And highest number of sales, 5-star reviews, and a good profit is the goal of every e-commerce seller. So, if you wanted to know about the best strategies, tips and tricks on how to source your product from China or anywhere in the world effectively and successfully, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Because in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly that how you can source your product, how you can calculate the profit of your product, how you can set the price of your product, what are the pricing strategies, and so on. So all the information is step by step in this video, so keep on watching. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I teach people like you that how you can do the same and build your online business. So if you are new here, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more videos like this. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm on Amazon website. So let's search for a product, bamboo cutting board. So this is the product that we are going to use as an example for this video. So we are going to analyze this product, find the best supplier with good rating and good price and good quality, and then we will analyze all the pricing of competitor and finally came to a pricing that is suitable for us and that can give us a good profit and having a competitive advantage also. So you can see here, these are the listing that Amazon is showing to me. So first of all, we can run the Jungle Scout Chrome extension to check the sale of all competitors. So as you can see here in my every video, I use two tools, Jungle Scout and Helium 10, to analyze the competition, check the sales of our competitor, keyword research and so on. And I personally recommend these two tools to all FBA seller because these are the tools that every Amazon FBA seller must have. And I don't recommend any product to anyone that I don't have personally used. But these two tools are fantastic. So if you are willing to purchase these two tools, so you can just purchase from my affiliate link, which you can find in the description of this video, so you can get up to 50% discount. So let's get back to our topic. So we can see that Jungle Scout is showing me the sales, the reviews and the monthly revenue of the competitor of this product. We can see that the average selling price of this product is $25.86. Let's say $26. And you can see that the revenue and the daily sales of every competitor is very high. So let's take an example of this seller because this seller is having 137 daily sales, $31,000 per month revenue and the reviews are very decent. So when we open the listing of this seller, we can see that this seller is selling this product for $19.53, like around $20. And they are selling 3 pieces, like pack of 3. And if we can see the past sales history and past pricing history from the Helium 10 extension, so we can see that $27.98 was the selling price of this listing in past, but somehow after February they start decreasing their price and right now they are selling at $19.53. So there could be many reasons for that, but we can see that if we click to all time, so the average selling price for this seller in the past was more than $25. So let's consider it $25. So now let's just open Fba Calculator and check how much Amazon FBA charges as a fee for this product. We have just opened the Fba Calculator. We have to just grab the ASIN of this product and we have to paste the ASIN here. And here we have to type the selling price like $24.99. And here we have to put the shipping cost. So the average shipping cost you can put $1 per kg. We can just find the weight of this product, which is 7 lbs. So let's just convert lbs to kg. So which is 7. So that means 3.1 kg is the weight of this product. So we can just put $3.1 here and we can just put the sourcing price, let's suppose $6 here. We can just confirm it later from Alibaba. And when we click on calculate button, we can see that if we source this product at $6 and if we sell this product for $24.99, then the net profit will be $4.57, which is 18.29% of the selling price, which we don't want. We want at least 25% profit on our product. And we can see there Amazon is charging $7.32 as a fulfillment fee and $3.75 as an Amazon selling fee. So now we have to find out the purchasing price, that at what price we have to purchase this product from Alibaba or anywhere else so we can get at least 25% profit. So if we put $4 instead of 6 here and we hit the calculate button, so we can see that if we purchase this product at $4, then we will be able to get more than 25% profit if we sell at $25 selling price. So now we have the idea of the purchasing price of this product, which is $4 per set of 3. So then we have to go to Alibaba.com and then type our keyword, bamboo cutting board. So here we can see many suppliers having many listing at different prices. So we can see that this seller is selling pack of 3 at $5.2. They are selling for $3, but they are selling, I think, pack of 1. So the best way to find supplier on Alibaba with our desired margin, desired price and desired rating is to go to Amazon.com and the main page and just run the Helium 10 Chrome extension. So here you can see that Helium 10 has fetched all the data about the products on the listing of competitor, and you can see on the top right corner that there is a button called Find Suppliers on Alibaba. So when we click on that button, we can see some filters here. So we can just fill out these fields with our desired value so we can find our desired supplier. So the minimum price we want is, like, let's say $3, and the maximum price is $4. And MOQ, like minimum order quantity, will be like 500 units to 1000 units. And vendor rating will be minimum 4 and maximum 5. So when we fill out all these fields, then we have to click on apply. So Helium 10 will fetch out all those suppliers that are fulfilling our criteria. That will be our desired supplier. So we can see that this one is looking good. So we can just click on that and open that. And when we go down, so we can see that this one also looks good. This one also looks good. And this one also, because they are having 5-star rating, verified, trade assurance badge, and having experience of 8 years on selling on Alibaba. So you can see that we have 4 suppliers shortlist now with the help of Helium Chrome extension, and all these suppliers are fulfilling our desired criteria. So what will be the next step? The next step will be to click on this button, contact supplier, and there we have to write the RFQ, like request for quotation. We have to fill out this form, like what size, what quality, and what material we want, and we have to write the complete detail about the product, so it will be look like a professional RFQ to the supplier. So after submitting all that information about that product, which we can just get from the listing of the competitor, for that information you can just go down and you can just start reading their description, their bullet points, so you will be able to know that what material, what size, and all the specification about the product. So you can just fill out that specs here in these fields, and you can just attach some images of your product from here, and then you have to click on send inquiry now. So then within next 24 to 48 hours, these supplier will get back to you with their quotation. So then you have to read that quotation, and if that quotation will be under your desired price, then you can just place the order to them. Or if you want to try negotiating with that supplier, so you can do that as well. And if you wanted to learn more about negotiation with supplier and how you can talk with Chinese supplier, so you can just watch my other videos on my Amazon playlist, in which I show you that how you can just talk to Chinese supplier. And I am having a video of interview of our sourcing manager at Ways to Sell Online, which is based in China, on my playlist of Amazon on YouTube. So you can just go there and watch that video as well, because that video will clear many confusions for you about sourcing, about logistics, about freight forwarding, and all that. So make sure to check out all those videos if you want to become a master of Amazon selling. And if you want me or my team to give you consultancy in any step of FBA selling, then you can just simply reach out to us by simply filling a form, which you can find the link in the description below. So that's why I always tell you to check out the description of my every video, because it always contains a useful stuff for you. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you like the video, then make sure to subscribe the channel so you can watch more videos like this. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.